Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our FSU employee account. Let's get started. So FSU stands for Florida State University. So if you want to log into your Florida State University's employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in the search bar you can search for FSU, login FSU employee account. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option. So after tapping on that option, now it will take you to this page from which you can just log into your employee account. So now in order to log into your employee account, what you have to do is just enter your FSU ID number and then enter your password. After entering your following details, you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on manage US ID/password, and after tapping on that option, what you will do is you will be able to change your password by creating a new one. So you can create a new password for your account. So just do that if you have forgotten your account's password. But if you haven't forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply enter the following details and then tap on login, and by tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your FSU employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.